Hello YouTube, this is Nebojša Jovanović and I am doing a review of Windows 8 Release Preview, which I just installed. Actually, I installed this on my computer yesterday. I don't know, I just decided to install it, and I installed it on the machine that I use every day and have all my stuff on, and it actually worked really well. None of my stuff were gone. I just had to uninstall my antivirus. Yeah, that's kind of bad. Yeah, because it doesn't work with Windows 8. So yeah, you have the start screen, you move it away, you type in your password, and it logs you into this Metro UI, and it's kind of cool. It's very clean. It's very easy to see where is it. I'm using the mouse when I'm doing this. Okay, you can scroll with a mouse to go through this Metro, and you can control scroll to zoom in and out. So it's everything that. What the hell is this? Okay, some weird bug. It's a release preview. I guess we can tolerate that. That's my Skype. I'll just open a couple of things to show you what multitasking is like and how to get around this weird, strange new OS that has two faces at the same time. So you have desktop, you have all these desktop things, everything works on your desktop. Let's just open a bunch of things just to show the multitasking. So yeah, this thing still works. Yeah, this thing still works. It's the same. You still have pinning down there. On the right hand side, oh. If you go to the top right hand corner and then go down from there, you see these charms, these 5 things like search, share, start, devices, and settings. Also, if you go to the bottom right hand side and go up, same thing happens. Bottom left hand side, you have the start menu that comes out. Top left hand side, you have this, you can switch between open apps, open Metro apps. Desktop is considered Metro app altogether. It's kind of weird. And if you go from here down, so from the top left hand corner down, all the open Metro apps, including the desktop as a Metro app, are previewed. So you can just place them and snap them into place, and you can move this like who has more. But you cannot split screen, which sucks. Yeah, that happens. And you can also rearrange this. It's really easy to do. What about desktops? Well, the Metro UI on its own has less multitasking capability, in my opinion, has less multitasking capability than what Windows 7, what the desktop part of Windows 8 or Windows 7 had. Simply has less multitasking capability. But when it comes to mobile OSs, it has more multitasking capability, because it actually has multitasking on the real level. You actually have split screen. You don't have that on iOS nor Android, only here. Of course, it's still not released. Yeah, that was me, that charming guy over there. And okay, I don't care about that. Nobody does. So yeah, multitasking is okay for a tablet, and if you put it together with multitasking that you have on your desktop, you actually have more multitasking. But Metro alone has less multitasking, and many of the things in the Metro UI, such as the search, this thing doesn't work in the background. This thing doesn't work well. This thing is not a good search. It looks good. It's definitely a place I want my search to be. It's great. I mean, like in start, and I start typing something, and this thing comes out, and I go back, and I can always go to all apps like this. Okay, and it comes here. And this thing is lovely arranged. You can scroll, you can zoom in and out using the control scroll, and everything is like arranged into groups, and you can click on one of them to go in there. You know, everything is done well. It's just that the multitasking is on lower grade. And for people on desktop, they may just want to use desktop experience more. And this desktop experience is actually great. Yeah, I have to say. I mean, it looks better. It has an improved design. And with this on the side, I guess you can do even more. I mean, you could like, I'm doing something on my desktop. I'm doing work, and then I can open my email here. Where's my email? Okay, messaging, whatever. I can open my messaging there, and I can send a message to someone. This thing is not working for some reason. So, it's great. And there's a lot of customizability related to a whole bunch of stuff. You know? But still, for desktop users, just to use the Metro UI, yeah, you won't be able to do much things. If you use both UIs, both of them, yes, yeah, it's okay, but it's not a huge improvement over Windows 7. Now, for tablet users, this is an enormous improvement over anything, because you have multitasking. So that'll be it. That's my first impressions, not really first impressions, but my impressions on the Windows 8 release preview. This is my first video that I actually did a bit longer. Goodbye.